Hi guys, my name is Tabish and you are watching this video on Tashify YouTube channel, and today Mavu has also joined us and we have very exciting product to show you because we're gonna use this product as a family, and we use two versions of this product. So please leave in the comments what you think it was. Might be you have read already from the title. So here we have finally bought the Google Nest Hub, and here in Sweden it is available for almost 680 crown, almost like $69. And this is the version which is without the camera, but idea is that we're gonna place it in the kitchen and we're gonna use it. So we will show you different use cases later on. It's a very quick unboxing. So the detail specs, there are pretty many detailed specs are available. Okay, Mavu is helping me to unbox it. Nice. So this is how it looks. Should we open, Mavu? Yes. So here it is. So it comes with it will show you, it's a voice assistant in that, so you can get answer from Google and watch videos on YouTube, and that's the main reason we're gonna use it. We will be using it mostly for videos. Mute actually the mic here. There's a small speaker, it's not so big one, but overall design is good. Here you can control the volume. And let's see what we got more in the box. So if we go into the box, we got a charging adapter, and we have this is nothing, startup guide. So we're gonna start up and we will show you different use cases. So should we go up, Mavu?
Yes.
So hey guys, Mavu has joined me with her new headphones, so she looks very happy and it seems like they fits really good on her. So this is this gonna be a part of a small Google Home Nest, mini Nest, and we have a Hey Google, turn on daily, and we have I'm gonna show you, we have this little guy also. So we use Google voice assistant quite a lot. All my lights are connected to this, so we're gonna use it mostly in kitchen, lying here on the table or over the kitchen top, and to use we will watch what on that videos or recipes, or there are so many things you can do. So we're gonna set it up and get back to you. So this is the first time we just plugged in. Nice typical Google animation.
Watching news, how can you open up Google?
Okay, we go to the Google Home app. Where is Home? We go to the Google Home app. Okay. And set up Nest Hub. So we're gonna complete it and then we're gonna show you some use cases. Okay, the Home app already found the right number. I have not done anything, it's so seamless. And now it's follow the setup, and your phone or tablet disconnect from during the setup. Okay, so connecting to Nest Hub, your phone or tablet may disconnect from the Wi-Fi. So it may disconnect from the Wi-Fi, and this is the code here. This is the code here. Very good. Yes, improve, I'm in. And we have different devices, so we're gonna call it it's gonna be in kitchen. Next, and connecting to this. Next, Oh, so now this is joining the Tashify 5G Wi-Fi. So it's gonna update. There are some instructions. So we join you once it's updated. Firmware update. What is firmware update, Mabu? You know what is that? Okay. Updating. So we film it. How does it go? Now it's restarting. Let's see how long it takes to restart.
The clock is 20,008.
Okay, now it's installing something. See? It's gonna take long time, so we will be back soon, guys. So this is the first time Google Nest Hub starting after after a update. So almost done. It's asking me to match my voice. That's what I'm gonna do. Wait, I agree. So finish the setup.
How long is it gonna take?
It will start very soon now. Play Tashify on YouTube.
Playing Tashify phone on YouTube.
Okay, so I am here on the Nest Mini. This is that. This is really good, nice. So when we are sitting here, Mabu, okay, you can tell what you want to see. If you are eating food, you don't have to have your iPad here. Okay, see all these videos.
Hey Google, play Mabu TV.
Hey Google, play Netflix.
Great, Netflix.
So you can actually watch Netflix videos. So one with Sana and one with mine, and let's try mine first. Hey Google, show me my photos from Dubai trip. So it's
Showing your
detecting.
photos of Dubai.
Okay, so that was not really Dubai. Okay, let's try it again. Hey Google, show my photos from USA last year.
Showing your photos taken from January 1st to December 31st, 2019.
Okay, so this is a little bit too much. Hey Google, show my photos from USA.
USA.
Showing your photos of USA.
So here we go. So I was eating this samosa there. That was really nice. So now Sana gonna try some thing. Okay.
Hey Google, show my photos from Paris.
So here it is
Showing your
Sana.
photos taken in Paris.
So this is a very good use case actually. You can actually now you can share this photo right away from here.
Hey
to-
Google, share this photo with Tabish.
Is that Tabish Wasim or Ice Tabish?
It's Tabish Wasim.
Got it. I'll share it.
So here we go,
Share.
guys. So this is like seamlessly you share the photos with your friend and family. This is very good. So Mabu gonna ask a dog or some sound. Okay, what you gonna ask, Mabu?
Hey Google, how does a cat sound?
This is a cat.
So let's try something. So it shows the memory from this day. So it you can go into that memory. But I'm gonna show you something. Hey Google, play something on YouTube Music.
Okay, music on YouTube Music. Here you go.
Hey Google, how many people can speak Hindi in India?
Here is some information from the web
This is
that
like-
might possibly help. Here's a summary from the website jagranjosh.com. In 2001, 41.03% of the people speak Hindi as mother tongue, while in 2011
Hey
it has
Google.
increased to...
What is the population of Pakistan?
In 2018, the population of Pakistan was 212,215,030.
Okay. So this is the first day with the Google Home Nest, and I'm already in love with this little device because it brings all those photos to life which you never get a chance to see in your busy life. But now when you're going back and forth, you see all those photos of a family. So and it shows you actually really nice photos. So this is one of the benefit of this.